Hi. Excuse me, are you done here?
No, I still have 2 more sets to go, but we can share it if you want.
Like taking turns? Sounds great, thanks.
No problem. Go ahead. I still have 2 minutes of break.
Cheers.
Are you new here? I don't think I've seen you before.
Yep, I am. I moved a couple of weeks ago. It's my second day coming to this gym.
Welcome. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Aisha.
Aisha. Beautiful name. How do you like it here?
I love it here. Everybody is so friendly and welcoming. I moved here for work and was a bit scared that I'll feel lonely. But people have been so kind to me.
I'm glad to hear that. I and some girls go to the juice bar across the street after Zumba every Thursday evening. Feel free to join us. We'll show you around.
Wow! Thanks, Emma! I'll definitely take up your invitation.
Hi there. Are you new to the gym?
Yes, joined just yesterday.
Welcome. My name is Dave. I'm a fitness trainer here at World Athletics Gym. I'm here to help. Did our sales team tell you that your membership includes 1 free training session?
No, they didn't.
If you are interested, I'd be happy to help you develop a workout plan.
I think that would be very helpful. I don't really know where to start.
No worries. We can set up a program to meet your goals. Let's chat about what you're looking to achieve. Please follow me to our instructor, Connor.
Let's look at some phrases that you can use in the gym. Excuse me, are you done here? We can share it if you want. Can we take turns? Are you new here? I joined the gym several weeks ago. I don't really know where to start. Are you a gym instructor here?